Animate.
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 Animate. Animate. Animate is fun and creative. They inspire me a lot.
Animate is really fun and it's been a good experience. It's great.
Animate have added a huge amount to the children's education. Animate Arts are fantastic with the kids.
Animate is fun, adventurous, inspiring and epic!
I'm Jo Dyer, I'm the Artistic Director of Animate Arts. We're a participatory arts company providing workshops and projects for young people, schools and the community.
Animate Arts Company has taught me loads of stuff about myself. Animate teaches you how to be good at creation, and being creative is a good thing to have in your life, definitely.
So Animate Arts Company have a team of artists and performers, and those individuals all have specialisms in different art forms, and they go out into schools and they deliver amazing experiences engaging the participants in the actual artwork itself. All the artists in Animate Arts are really passionate and caring people. We're a very friendly team. And I think that's really vital to the way that we deliver our workshops. We want people to be completely engaged in the experience. There's a joint philosophy in Animate that all of the artists are really passionate about sharing their practice, not just for their own work, but actually sharing and engaging people in that work. And we also try and collaborate between us. So quite often an Animate project isn't just a straightforward drama workshop. We end up collaborating between visual arts and performing arts and creating something rather magical to experience.
Animate has come to my school and we've done lots of activities together. We built a paper forest and we built a really big train, and it was really cool because it was like walking around in a real forest but made out of paper and all colourful. It was a lot of fun and it makes you feel really inspired.
So every project that we do is completely bespoke. We make sure that our projects are suitable for the groups that we're working with. They're dealing with objectives that those groups are really interested in exploring, and we want every experience to be completely unique and memorable.
It's been a wonderful experience for the children to see a project right the way through, from the very beginning, the early ideas, all the way through to the end. They have enriched the curriculum hugely. So they've brought in expertise and energy. So they explain things in a way that the children really understand, that empowers them to go away and use the skills that they've got. And they've made children feel that they can do anything. And whatever they imagine, they can actually build. I've seen them working in teams, I've seen them taking charge, making decisions, working in a way that they just aren't able to in a normal classroom environment. So it's been truly wonderful. And I think the children see themselves not only as artists but also as leaders, which wouldn't have happened without Animate Arts involvement.
I'm currently sitting in one of our most recent projects, the Garden of England, where we worked with 10 schools, all the staff and about 300 children to create a life-size garden out of paper and card. We're getting quite renowned for our large-scale projects. We're a national award winning for some of them. But we also do smaller projects. We go in for just one day and work with classes and create really magical experiences for the day. Animate Arts gets its name not because of animation, although that might be something that we do, but it's more about animating people and places. We're really fascinated with getting people creative and